is up, guys? Pup T from Life, Liberty, and the Homestead. Girlfriend's out here on the Kubota tractor, trying to show her the little bit of stuff that I know. She's messing with the bucket, the backloader, all that stuff. And then she asked me, do we have other chores to do? My word, I tell you what. Hey, while you guys are here, go ahead, follow Baby Lulu's head, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, give me some thumbs up, give me some thumbs down, give me some comments. Y'all are wild, I love y'all, and let's get started with this video. Woo! The first time on the tractor. And now she's scared. That's alright though. Doc's watching her though, so she'll be alright. Turkey. Oh, turkey. Look at that. Oh, she needs some loving. Oh, my turkey. You're like YouTube famous now, kid. Oh, yeah. Everybody loves you. Woo, my turkey. let me tell you, we ain't getting on the tractor today, baby. Woo! Went out there, drove around a little bit. Sketchy. Sketchy. So, I guess that's going to be the end of the video. So, in the beginning, you got to see the old girlfriend on there. Me trying to teach her a little bit. Sounds like a chicken over here is trying to lay an egg. But, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. Give me some wild comments. I love y'all. And I'll see you on the next video.